Hi Gurnham, sorry to hear about the problem with your Hotpoint washing machine, model number WMPF742P. Having a look at the diagrams on your model of machine, the bad news is you've got a sealed drum. This means that if you've got a noisy drum, this may be from the bearings or the spider, but it's worth checking it. Now, the way you actually check a drum for movement, and I have put a video on the page I've created for you. You've got the silver round part of the drum, and then you've got the bit below the door seal, which is the plastic part. If you put your fingers on the plastic part and hold the stainless steel part and just try to see if there's any upwards or downwards movement in the 3 points at the spider, this is where the spider attaches to the bearings. You'll be able to check the spider this way, and you'll also be able to check by spinning the drum without the belt on the machine to see if it is actually the drum bearings. If it is the drum bearings, then they're going to need replacing, and as I said, this is a sealed drum. But I've also got the exploded diagram of this machine for you, and in the diagram you can see part number 6. Now, if you go down to the list of parts at the bottom of the page or click on one of the links on the page, you will actually find the drum, and then you'll be able to get the genuine part number. I believe the genuine drum part number for this machine, but do check with your model number because you have given me an incomplete model number. But I believe it's C00286442, which is the tub assembly. As I said, it's not the cheapest in the world. It's just under £200. But if you have a look using that part number on eBay and some of the other shopping channels, sometimes engineers sell off old stock. So you may be lucky and find one that's going cheaply. I've also done a little bit extra at the end of this video to assist you with using the page so you get the best of it. We've got extra videos on the page for you with all types of problem with these Hotpoint machines, and also all the exploded diagrams as well. Hope this helps you. Have a good day, mate. I have created you a web page with everything you need to know about this model: workshop manual, wiring diagrams, and also exploded views of the machine with every component listed. If you or anyone else needs help, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.